Hi all, welcome to Kabir Automation channel. In today's video, we'll be seeing operators in JavaScript. So first of all, what is an operator? So operator is a symbol which performs certain operations. So suppose in one mathematical calculation that 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Here 4 and 5 we can called it as a operands, and here the plus symbol is a operator. So JavaScript consists different type of operator that are mainly used. So we'll see all of them. So there are four type of operators available in JavaScript: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational or comparison operator, and logical operators. So we'll see one by one. So in arithmetic operators, the plus, minus, multiplication, exponential, division, percentage, increment and decrement. So these are the symbols mainly used for arithmetic operators which are used in the mathematical calculations. Second is assignment operator. Mainly the common used assignment operator is equal to. Then with in assignment operator, the value of other side can be stored in x. So suppose here the y values, what are the value of y we can assign to x. The same way with equal to, if we add plus, minus, multiplication sign, division or module, so those we can, instead of writing it as a x equal to x into y, we can write this way also: x plus equal to x minus equal to, which will be same as x minus y, x into y. The same way here we can store and write in the JavaScript. Next is comparison operator. So these provides the boolean value true or false. So where it is used for check the condition. So here the symbols are mainly double equal to, triple equal to, not equal to, not double equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, and question mark is used for ternary operator. And last one is logical operator, where we can check again if the value is true or false with logical and, logical or negation, that logical not. So we'll see one by one. So let us open our console. So here till now we have seen as JavaScript embeds by HTML language. So always we have to write the HTML file, then inside that we have to write the JavaScript code and see the result in HTML file or console. So instead of that, there is one more way where we can write the JavaScript file here and execute directly in Visual Studio Code. So for that we have to install one software. So go to Google and write Node.js download. So once you go to this website of Node.js, so you can choose the package as per your operating system. So mine is 64-bit Windows, so I have installed this. So you click on this, the file will be installed, file will be downloaded, and from that you do next and next, and the software will be installed. So once the software is installed, you can go to your settings. So in C, if you go to C and after that program file, here you will see one folder has been created for Node.js. You have to copy this path and go to system variable. So here edit the system environment variable. Here you go, click on environment variable, and here you can add a new path. So as you can see, I have already included the Node.js path here, so I will not be doing it. So once you set the path, you make sure that you restart your Visual Studio Code to get the installation completed. So once it is completed, now you can create the JavaScript file directly in Visual Studio Code editor and execute here in the terminal. So I will show you how to do it. So first I am creating one file. I am keeping it name it as a operator demo.js. Now I am creating variable and setting x value as 10 and y value as 20. Now to run the program, I am writing console.log. So first we will be seeing arithmetic operator. So we have seen the arithmetic operator symbols are plus, minus, into, division, module, so modulus, after that star and increment and decrement. So we'll see one by one all the operations here. So now you write here x plus y, and to see this result you just save the file, and here you right click, and here you click on this open in integrated terminal. So once this terminal is open for you, now here you can write node, and then the file name operator demo.js, and enter it. You will get the result over here directly. So as you can see, 10 plus 20, it is giving 30. The same way I will be writing all the other operations here. So as you can see, I have written all the conditions over here. So here the double star is like it will be in, you can say that, square. So we'll see the result over here. I will save the file. So we'll clear it. So as you can see, when we are doing it, the results are plus, that when it is plus then it is 30, when it is minus then 20 minus 10, into, then it is like 20 into 10, y division, so it is doing the division here, and percentage, then it is keeping at 0, and last y into x. So it is giving this result because it is like square, it is doing the multiplication twice. So these are the arithmetic operator. Now one more increment, and for increment and decrement it is like, if you write here in this way console.log, after that y x plus 1. So that means whatever value of x, uh, it will increment with 1. So if you see here, the result is 11. So the same way it can be write it as a x plus plus, and it will give the exact value, the same value. So there are two kind of increment. It can be written in two ways. One is x plus plus, and you can write it with plus plus x. The same result it will provide. So if you run it, you can see the same result it is providing. So these two type of increment can be called it as a post increment or pre increment. The same way you can do it with minus also. So it can be write it as a x minus 1. The same thing you can write it minus minus x or x minus minus. So it will give the provide the same result. This way these are the arithmetic operator. Now we are coming to next operator, that is assignment operator. The mainly in assignment operator, mainly it is like the value of other side we can like we can write it as a x equal to y. The the value of y will be assigned to x here. So if I am writing it as a x equal to y, and if you run it, it will provide you the result that y value is getting printed into, like getting stored into x. So it is giving 20. The same, it can be write it as the with other operator, like you can write it as a x plus equal to y, which will be like x equal to x plus y. So if you run it, you can see x plus y is x plus y, x plus it is doing the. So here you can see in assignment operator, I have assigned value of x as 100 and y as 50. Then whenever you are assigning this way, then x equal to x plus y. This means x equal to x plus y. This means x equal to x into y. This means uh, x divide by y, then that is getting printed in x. So if you run this, you will get the result it as a like this. So when x minus y, then it is 50, x into y, then 2500, divide x divided by y, then it is 50, and percentage is coming as 0. So this way assignment operator works. Next we'll see comparison or logical operator. So as I said, the comparison operator provides boolean value true or false. So let me specify all the symbol first, then we'll see one by one. So now I have assigned value of x as 100 and y as 50. Now we are uh, checking the this operator, comparison operator. So in comparison operator, it is like greater than, lesser than, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, not equal to, and ternary operator. So here you can see this means it will provide a boolean result that whether it is a true or false. So x greater than y, that means 100 greater than 50. So it is true. So x lesser than y, this is false. Lesser than or equal to, any condition if match, then it will be giving true. So here 100 lesser than equal to 50, so that is false. So this way it will give true or false. So if you run this program, you can see that here it is giving true, here it is false, false, and last two are true. X not equal to y, yeah, 100 not equal to 50. So here x greater than equal to y, yeah, 100 greater than or equal to 50. So this is giving the correct result. So this way. And what is ternary operator? So in ternary operator, it is like we have to write this way. So whatever we are writing the condition, then after condition x is to y. So how it takes whatever the condition it is. If it is true, then it will provide the x value. If it is false, then it will provide y value. So if you execute it, so here you can see 100 it has given. That means x not equal to y. Yes, it is true. So true, that means it is providing the x value. So if you change this condition as x equal to y, then it is false. If you run it, so any condition, if it is true, then it will always give x value. So here you can see x lesser than equal to y. So this is false. So it should give the y value here. So you can see it is giving as 50. So this way ternary operator works. And last one is logical operator. In logical operator, it is like it checks and condition. So it can be write it as a ampersand and or bar for or condition and not. So not for negation. So I will write all the condition over here. So it can be, so now I am creating two more variable, a equal to true, b equal to false. So now in AND condition, it is like if both are true, if it is both are true, then it will give true. If any one of it is false, then it will give as false. So here you can see it is giving false because here both are not true. And or condition, if any one of is a true, then it will give it as a true. If both are false, then, so suppose I am, and in not condition it is like negation. So a is true, so negation of a is false. So now if I change it this way and if I execute it, so it is showing first one false because both are false. So in AND condition, if both are false, it is giving false. In OR condition, if both are false, then also it will give it as a false. And negation of a, that is false, that means opposite, it will be true. So this way all the operators work. So till now we have seen arithmetic operator, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division, increment and decrement. After that we have seen the assignment operator, where the value of other side will be calculated and assigned to the left side value. And uh, and after that we have seen the comparison operator, that is greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, not equal to. So here it will give the boolean value, that whether it is true or false. And in logical operator we can check and or and negation. So these are the mainly operators which has been used in JavaScript. So in this video, this much only. We'll see few more topics in next video.